Special announcement. Special announcement. Yes, guys, that's the mailbox. Special announcement, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, yes, yes. Happy Tuesday to everyone that's out there. I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear because I have a special announcement for you guys. Impact Mailing Club, direct mail. I want to go over really quick what's coming up because I just received a special announcement. I am going to open up some of the mail I received today, some of it. But I just want to go over what I got that came to my email today. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. So, the full promo is finally here. And what we're going to do is Impact Mailing Club is going to be upgrading all Sapphire members to the Diamond level. So anyone who comes in at the Sapphire level is going to automatically receive the reseller rights to the Diamond level, okay, which is going to allow you to get unlimited $1,000 payments. You're going to get 400 peel and stick labels. These are your leads. 400, 200 Impact Mailing Club postcards, okay? And you're going to be able to earn anywhere from $65 all the way up to $1,000 in commissions for every single sign up. And this will actually go on from November 1st through November 14th, okay? So actually it started the 27th and it's going to go all the way to November 14th. So again, guys, you're going to automatically get the upgrade to the Diamond level. I had a lot of people asking me when they're going to come out with a promotion, and I just received the notification that they are bringing back this full promo for Sapphires getting the automatic upgrade to Diamond level. Okay, so all of those who were looking for that promotion, it's here. And now you can sign up and automatically get upgraded to the Diamond level. The Diamond level normally costs about $2,000. Okay, so you're not going to have to pay $2,000. You're going to be able to pay $500 and get in at the Sapphire level and get the automatic upgrade. So hey Lenore, hey Antonio, thanks for tuning in. Hey Elon. Yes, the promotion is back on, guys. And I'm going to open up some of the payments I received today. I had quite a few payments today, and I can't go through all of it because I'm hungry and I need to go make dinner, but I am going to go through some of them. I've been kind of fasting, eating light, so I'm hungry. So I have Charles who signed up. Charles, I received your payment. He came in at the Emerald level, so I have a $20 payment, and here's the stamps. Yes. Hey, Deborah. Yes, Diva. Yes, we are back with the promo that's going on. This is going to be exciting. Yes, yes, yes. I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm hungry. Hungry, hungry, hungry. What do we have here? Lenore, I got your payment. Lenore actually sent in payment for her website. So Lenore, I will be sending over, you should receive your information for your website over the next day or so. Okay, I received your payment today. I have it in hand. Here's your payment, Lenore. I got your payment. Okay. Hey, Evelyn. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Cindy. Yes, everybody's excited about this. Now, we had one in May, which was over the summer. So it's been a little while, and now we have another one. People were asking me. They don't tell us when they're going to have these promos. They just happen, and they're very exciting. People get to upgrade, and they don't have to pay an arm and a leg. So I got a card that came in the mail from someone. Let's see what I got here. Oh, thankful vibes. Thank you so much. Let's see who it's from. I appreciate you, from Jade. Thank you so much. This is really nice. I love it. So I got a card here. And let's see what I got in the mail. Well, they wrapped this one up pretty good. So this came in from Jade, a payment. I appreciate you too, Jade. And this person came in at the Ruby level, which is a total of $150 and 2 books of stamps. Here are the stamps. Thanks so much for joining. Please make sure you reach out to me to get your cover letter and also your website, okay? The sooner the better. Here's another payment that I have that came in. Hey, Kevin. Cool beans, Kevin. I'll be here. Hey, William. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Sandra. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, so this promo is going to be only going on up until November, the middle of November. So I think I said November 14th. So just make sure if you are interested in taking advantage, you get in before then. It's only 2 weeks. No, Amina. It's only 2 weeks, and I don't want people to miss out on it, okay? So here's another payment that came in. This person came in at the Emerald level, and $20 and stamps. Okay, this person joined someone on my team. Let's see the name. Vasha. Vasha, thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. Hey, Christy. Hey, Brandy. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Michelle. Yeah, it is awesome. We got some good things going on. Well, for those that don't know, this is the season where a lot of people get involved in home-based business opportunities. So we're going to get a lot of signups over the next couple of months. So guys, if you want a piece of the pie, you need to get involved, because this is the time of the year where everyone wants to be a part of an opportunity, wants to make more money. And you know, if you want a piece of the pie, you just got to be in it. Okay, this came in from Anthony. This is a $50 payment. He came in at the Ruby level. And here is a total of 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Anthony. Glad to have you a part of the team. Make sure to reach out to your sponsor so that you can get started. If I'm not your direct sponsor, you want to reach out to the person who you signed up with. And then I have this payment that came in from Randy. Okay. So Randy came in at the Sapphire level. Okay, he signed up with someone else on my team. And I received a $100 payment and 2 books of stamps. Okay. All right, so I'm going to stop there. I have a total of, got a few more that came in. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm going to stop at that. I'll open them up on Friday. Okay, and one of them is actually a postcard. So I'll open them up on Friday. But I just wanted to show you guys that the program works. Talk about the promotion that we have going on. If you want to take advantage and be a part of Impact Mailing Club, and you want to get in at the highest level, now's the time to do so, because you'll be able to do that by just coming in at the Sapphire level and getting that automatic upgrade to the next level. It's going to get you 400 peel and stick labels. You're going to get 200 Impact Mailing Club postcards, automatic commissions from the lowest level all the way up to the highest level. Okay, so it's a really good opportunity to get bumped up. It's only going to be for a little bit over 2 weeks. I say definitely take advantage if you're looking at this opportunity. And I just want to say thank you for tuning in. I'll be back with you guys probably the end of the week. Make sure you enjoy your week. Stay inspired, stay blessed, and have a good evening.